Just imagine you wake up in the morning and DLSS Enabler gets a new update. This update makes you enable X4FG on any GPU. The 1060 and the 1650 users are so happy today. So we are here in the desktop and we are going to show you the tutorial to how to add this mod to your game, and then we are going to do a technical review for the mod, and that take us to the sponsor of this video. Of course, I am the sponsor of myself. The sponsor is my website. I will make the ultimate website for FG mods and other mods. The link is in the description, so if you want to download those files, they are going to be in my website. Also, the subscribe button is a sponsor for this video if you want. After downloading the files, just extract, go in DLSS Enabler, accept, next, and here choose your game. For example, Cyberpunk 2077, go to bin x64. For example, another game. We have here Grand Theft Auto 5, just click on the game folder and OK and next. So it depends on the game. You can comment in the comments and I will tell you how to do it in your game. Now just next, and here start with version.dll. If this doesn't work, go down one by one. If you have AMD or Intel GPU, check this one. If you have Nvidia GPU, don't have to check this, and select this option, then next and install. After that, go to your game folder location. We have selected version.dll, so here you have to copy version.dll and paste. Another thing, don't forget to disable Nvidia signature override. Why you have to do this? If you don't do this, you cannot enable the DLSS FG, so you cannot enable the Multi Frame Generation FSR on your game. If it doesn't work, just restore Nvidia signature override and disable it again. What you have to do now is just launch in your game. Now we are in the game, as you can see. To open the DLSS Enabler menu, just press this key. As you can see, it is here. You can enable this stats bar. Here you have the FPS, I think this response time, the FG mode that you are using, and the upscaling mode that you are using. Make sure that in your game settings, the DLSS frame generation at X4 mode or X2 mode. This mode has a problem. For now, of course, if there is update, I will update the mode, of course, for you. Here you have another option which is screen space ray tracing. As you can see, it enhances your visuals. Actually, it's so good and it doesn't have a big impact on performance. There is some ghosting, there is some problems. As you can see in the UI renders at less frames than what the game renders. I think this problem comes with any FG. When you move the car, just watch this. As you can see in the back of the car, there is this bad ghosting. There is a mod that fixes this, but unfortunately DLSS Enabler has a problem in terms of compatibility with this mod. If DLSS Enabler developer replies to me, I will make the best multi-frame generation mod for Cyberpunk 2077 for any GPU. So my brothers, if there is a new update, I will be the first one that tells you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.